What's up guys, Emmanuel here checking in. I went ahead and I ordered an exhaust for my car. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got, so check it out.
What I've done was removed 4 bolts from the bottom. It has like this panel tray, and then 2 clips on the side of the car, and this whole flap comes down, and then you can see the bolts that connect the exhaust to the front pipe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove those. I went ahead and I sprayed these exhaust rubber hangers. I sprayed them with WD-40 so I can take them off, and then I'll be able to take off the exhaust. Remove this hanger. I'm going to go ahead and take off the ones in the back. So pretty much have the old exhausts off already. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it next to the new one, show you guys what it looks like in comparison. So I have the old exhaust here, and I'm curious to see what the car sounds like with no exhaust on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. So I have the new exhaust lined up next to the old one, and I lined it up just to make sure that it's angled in the right position and everything matches up correctly. Greddy DDR with no resonator, and it has 3-inch pipe compared to 2, and this actually fits the Type R in case I ever want to upgrade, you know. But yeah, so, and then this is the hardware the kit came with. The exhaust comes with gaskets for the front pipe, and then it has these ones here, and for the back, and it also comes with the bolts and nuts to tighten the exhaust. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, she's in. Oh my goodness. This looks, in person, this looks so good. These tips are freaking huge. That's what she said. Alright, mid pipe, and we're all done. Gotta make sure everything's tightened down. We need a 14 millimeter. We should be good to go. So let's go ahead and tighten it. And then I'll go ahead and start the car and make sure there isn't any exhaust leaks. right, guys, it's in. Let's go ahead and start it up. Done installing the exhaust. I started it just to make sure there wasn't any leaks, and it's good. And it did come with this hardware here. This actually, it connects the front pipe to the new exhaust, but there's really no way of getting to those bolts from the back to be able to take them off the front pipe that connects the down pipe, front pipe to the new exhaust. The only thing is there's like maybe 1 or 2 threads missing on top of the bolt, but it should be fine. It's pretty tight. I tightened it the best I could and it's pretty snug. There's no exhaust leaks. So now all I'm gonna do now is just wipe down the exhaust with some detailer spray. So when it does heat up, it doesn't get any fingerprints all over it. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Detail spray, a new microfiber cloth. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the exhaust down so it doesn't stain. So there you have it, guys. That was the install of my Greddy DDR exhaust. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna make another video of me doing a cold start and some drive-bys and comparison between the stock exhaust and the aftermarket exhaust. So stay tuned, guys. I'll keep you guys updated with any other mods I do to the car. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See you later, dude.